To set side and volume up case, shortcut to mute all sound on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap mute all sound. Next, tap mute all sound shortcut. If this menu is still off, tap the on off switch until it turns blue to turn it on. And then select press side and volume up button. With this setting, you can use side and volume up case as shortcut to mute or unmute all sound. To do so, press the side and volume up case at the same time. And then select mute all sound. While you are muting all sound, you cannot use volume button to adjust the volume level, and you are only be able to put your phone in silent or vibrate mode. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.